Так, мы на месте. I mean, we are here. So, yeah, we continue starting. All according to the schedule, more or less. Let's open the schedule actually. Let's mute me in my rebroadcasting, blah blah blah. Okay, now let me think. Yeah, we open this. So back to schedule. Back to schedule. Like this. All right. So what we have? 13:56 on the clock. According to our schedule, dinner break should stop at 2:30 p.m. So we even finished 30 minutes earlier, but I guess soon I will need small toilet break, so we'll see. As of now, we are here, and my idea is to play some music at first, but no, we are not gonna make this. We are going to play some music which is legal to play. All right, let's make like this, why it's here. Like this. Like this. Refresh. Like this. Reduce the volume a bit. Okay, wait. What if we do like this? Let's check here. A little bit more. Maybe a little bit less. Is it reducing when I speak? Ah, yeah, I see. It's reducing. All right. Right, just AFK for a few minutes. Sorry. Yeah, I will come back soon. Hello, hello. I'm back. So for now, let's switch here. I'm sorry, just some stomach issues. Like this. All right, more or less. So, what I want to check is Blender, FL Studio. I have it here, and I was always wondering how to use it. And is it possible to use it without any other equipment? But I don't have. Okay, next time. I don't have the license. I need to make something with it at first. But it's fine. Okay, let's continue with Blender in this case. So just let's just type. I mean, type Europe. I mean, I think I just wanna a little bit freestyle, you know. Just want to try to create something and just a little bit refresh my knowledge, because I'm actually not really remember some of the hotkeys, some of the features, so I just want to refresh my mind. So here we are in the Blender. Let me just reduce a little bit this picture of me. Okay, I think it's fine. So the cube. The cube. What I want to make. So one of my friend recently asked me to make as fast as possible in a Blender a table, a plate, and some fruits lying on a table. And it was quite hard for me to make this task. I mean, I was able to create a table. It's not so complicated, but after this the problems started. So let's start with the table. Where is it? Where is the plane? Ah, alright. Okay, we have a plane. Let's make it bigger. Like this. What I want to do next is to extrude it a little bit. Yeah, maybe like this. After this we take this cube. We are moving it here. What we also need is this one. For me it's really useful. So yeah, we take the cube, we make it smaller. We extrude it. No, not like this. So let's go to the faces, extrude. So it will be the leg of our table. After this we press I'm sorry. So after this we press Ctrl 7 to go to this bottom part of the table, and by means of G, wait, we move this cube, right? Yeah, but we need it first connected to the table. Actually, I don't really want to interfere in this table mesh. Is it possible somehow to glue it to the table? Actually, have no idea. Let's check in the internet. How to stick object to each other in Blender, and that's how we learn, right? Snap object, yeah.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take an object like this
I'm
and
sorry,
grab it so it sticks onto items like this. And you can repeat
like
that
this.
and scale it and all sorts until you get some fun like this. So I've got a UV sphere in the scene, and I've got some sort of object that I want to attach to this, and I want it to rotate so it points outwards from the sphere. So our snapping tools are...
Wait, why it's not visible? Yeah, now you see.
Up the top here, so if I turn on snapping and then change this to face, so any object I now select will snap to the faces of and then outwards from the sphere. So our snapping tools are up the top here, so if I turn on snapping and then change this to face, so any object I now select will snap to the faces of any other object. And then press G to grab, move this towards my object. You can see that when my cursor goes over the object, it starts snapping to it. But it really isn't snapping how I want it to. You can see that it's kind of in the middle of the shape there, and it's inserted itself into the shape there. So I'll undo that. Within the snapping tools, we have something called Align Rotation to Target, so I'll tick that. And then press G to grab, and now it's starting to align, but not quite target, so I'll undo that. Within the snapping tools, we have something called Align Rotation to Target, so I'll tick that, and then press G to grab, and now it's starting to align, but not quite there. And again, when I move my cursor away from the object, you can see it stops snapping and then starts snapping again, but you can see it's also got this line pointing outwards, so it's starting to get the idea of the rotation. I'll undo that. The important thing here is snap with. We want to change that to center. Currently, the closest part of this object here, press G to grab, is snapping.
All right.
To the object, but we want the center, the object origin, to be the point that it snaps from. So again, I'll undo that. I'll go to the snapping to properties here and change it to center. Now when I press G to grab, you can see it snaps according to the object origin, and it's rotating as well and lining up nicely with our object. I can now press Shift D and duplicate lots of these around. I'll undo that quickly, and I'll just point out one more thing. The object origin is in the center of my object here. If I press 1 to go to front view, that's the point that will snap to the outside of the sphere. It works well in this case because the sphere is cutting into this object like this, and the whole of this object is therefore inserted into that sphere. If I go into edit mode and select all and press G to grab in the Z axis, and move that up to the bottom here, and then once again, I'll press Alt D this time to create an instance, and Alt D again, you can see that that object origin is sitting on top, and therefore our object is not inserting into the sphere. But if I go back to my object, I'll press period key to zoom in on that, go to front view and select all in edit mode, G to grab in the Z axis and move that down slightly so it's inserted into the sphere. Back into object mode, you can see my instances, because they are linked duplicates, they will update when I go into edit mode.
All right, let's try. So I think in our case we just click like this, faces. Closest, I guess it's fine. So we click A, we press G, yeah, and now it's stick to this table. How to return this center of the table? I mean the center of the leg, inside the leg. Wait. How to return center of the object inside object in Blender. Shift S. Center every object in a relation. How to center. But I mean, if we press like this and press Shift S, cursor to grid, selection to grid, Cursor to world origin, cursor to selected, Control, no, Shift C, Alt S, no, Shift S, no. Right, what if we delete this one? Faces, delete. Okay, we deleted the cube. Now we make a new one, cube. Now we move it, and it moves together with its center inside the cube. But if I press G, center is moving together with the cube. Now press like this. Now the cube stick to the table surface. Now we press Ctrl 7. We move the cube like this, for example. S to scale, make it smaller. Okay, now it sticks to the table. Now we change to the faces. Now we extrude this leg, right? Extrude more. Anyway, now it's not so important how many of these cross lines we have. Yeah, and now if we press, for example, G, X, it moves together with its center. So how do we change this? Move the selected item, but how does guy make this?
That's the point that will snap to the outside of the sphere. It works well in this case because the sphere is cutting into this object like this, and the whole of this object is therefore inserted into that sphere. If I go into edit mode and select all and press G to grab in the Z axis and move that up to the bottom here.
In the edit mode. So in object mode it will not move. In edit mode, if I press A, press G, yeah, it will move. It will move out of the center of the object. It's really important to remember this. Okay, now we just press this one, Shift D, Control 7. Why not working? Okay, we just we make like this. Shift D. And Shift D. Now we have 4 legs attached exactly to the bottom of the table surface. Alright, that was the easiest part. Now we can grab and move all this object. If we press, no, where is it? If we press 1 and now we press G, we can put it exactly on the X axis. And now I'm sorry, you cannot see. This is the Blender. Yeah, need to practice a little bit with this windows. I mean, as of now, I guess I can just make like this, and just when it's necessary, I can change the windows. Without switching it every time. Yeah, it's better. Let's keep playing this. So, plate. Let's add a plate. How can we create a plate? I guess we can just take circle. After this we can make why it's not working? Okay, now it's working. Shift F, Control F. Or we can just make some, I don't remember exactly, make instant face, create face, create. No, I forgot how to add face to this object. Add. No, I forgot. If you just press F, it will not work, right? How to add faces to the object in Blender? Face between edges. Hotkey F. Right, F. F. Image frames from vertices. Menu. What kind of menu? I don't know, just not working. Anyway, let's add some other finger. We can actually make a plane, move it here, add modifier, subdivision modifier, and just make it round. So it's not really round. Okay, we will apply this But I also I want to make it round. Why it's so hard? Circle. G. Moving here. Here. I want to find a way to add face to this to these verticals. I cannot believe that this is not possible. Vertex. Face. Fill. Alt F. Wait. Alt F. Alt F. Okay. Now I know. But how to get rid of these lines? It's not really needed. I guess we just make like this and delete edges, and it's all gone. Very nice. Okay. Face, solidify face. What is this? No, it's not it. Edge, bevel, loop, cut and slide. I have no idea what is this, but Blender is no, it's still working. A vertex. Vertices. Okay, let's just write how to delete edges without destroying the face in Blender. Okay. Так, дозволити.
Loops and press Ctrl X. This dissolves the selected
Ctrl
edges.
X.
You can also Ctrl double click on an edge to select a row instead of a loop.
But I mean, in this case, it's not working like this, right? Ctrl X. Oops. Ctrl X. Oh. Oh, it works. It's perfect. Ctrl X. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much, Mr. Stranger. Ctrl X. Okay, finally we have very round enough circle. It's on this side. Ctrl X. Ctrl X, Ctrl X, Ctrl X, Ctrl X. And now with this circle we can make it, I mean we can try to add subdivision modifier to it. Oh wow, why it's look like pizza, very round pizza. No, it's strange. I will not do this. I mean, I don't understand why in this area it's like cut it here. Maybe I deleted too much. Oh, it just was like this. I don't know. It was okay. So if I delete like this, looks normal, right? Okay. I just deleted too much. Delete. Finally we have it. The perfect round circle. Almost round. Anyway, I take it. I think we can change in the options. No, I think we can't. Circle. Selection, motion, location, rotation, scale. Collection. I know. I want to make it more rounder, but I don't know how. Anyway, it's fine. Now what I want to do, if I press Ctrl R, it's again lagging. Nothing. I wanna add some additional verticals in this area. But how? How can I do this? How can I do this? I mean, we can extrude it, right? Yeah. So we extrude it from this side and from this side. Why it works so strange? Now we scale. And it's already looks like a plate a little bit, right? Now we do something like this. Alt S. No. E. No. I want it to be... Okay, yeah, let's extrude it like this. And after this, scale it. And scale again. I guess it's look like a plate, right? I can also press here. What if I make Ctrl R here? I'll only make it like this. But what if I want to make the inner circle? Let's no. Okay. Ctrl R. And anyway, we can't. How do I make some circles inside this one? It should be some way, I guess. If I press S, make it like this. After this I choose all these verticals, which I cannot choose. How did I choose all of this right now? Alright, finally. Now I can make some circles here. For example, like this. Like this. Very nice. Now we choose all of this, right? And this, and we press Alt S, I guess. Now we press S. Like this. And now we choose this. Press E to extrude. And S to scale. Just wanna make this outer part a little bit smaller. Scale. Should be some other option. Shift S. No. There is some other option, but I don't remember how to apply it. What the fuck? No. I don't know. Shift S. No. Oh, it's somewhere in this area. Face. Vertex, edge. Select. View. Global. No, this is not it. Individual origins. Maybe this one. No. Also no. Right, what if we just choose this circle and move like this? Yeah, that's what we can do. Yeah, something like this. And same we can make here. I think how can we, yeah, you can take like this. What if we delete these faces? Will be just a hole here, right? It's not what we need. Okay, what we can do is just S Alt S. No, I want to make this square smaller. But I don't know if it's even possible. Scale. I don't know. If I choose this, and make it scale, it's moving like this. If I press Alt S, it's moving like this. If I press E, it's like this. It's supposed to be like this. Need to change somehow this logic of this shrinking, but I don't remember how. Options. I will find. I don't care. I'll find this option. Face, fill, grid, extrude faces, individual faces. No. Along normals, no. I think it's Shift E, right? Control E. Extrude edges. But it's supposed to be not extruding, but shrinking. Poke. Triangular. Solidify. What is solidify? Nobody knows. Solidify. And what is difference? I don't know. What is the difference? No difference at all. Edge, extrude, bevel, bridge, edge loops, screw, subdivide, slide, loop cut, offset. I don't remember. I don't remember. I really want to know how to fix this. Man, it's hard. Okay, let's say that we made a plate. Let's add now fruits. And for this I wanna know how to add reference pictures to the Blender. How to add a reference picture in Blender. To add a reference image, hit Shift A to bring up your add menu. Scroll down until you find the image tab. When you hover over it, you will see two options: reference or background. Okay, for example, we need banana. We find some picture of banana. This one. No, this one. No, this one. This one is very high quality banana. I need a high quality banana. We save this picture. Now we have this picture on my desktop, and now we make Shift A, and here we need to find image reference desktop banana single. Oh, in here we have banana. My god, it's banana. R X and we can S to scale it. So here we have banana, and we need to make banana like this. it's actually funny. Banana, giant banana. What if I extrude? I cannot change it anyhow. Okay. Let me just check the stream. Alright, banana. So we need to make a banana like this. But this, I will start with the cylinder. I guess it's the most suitable shape to start with. Press G, remove it, and put right in front of our banana. Now we rotate like this. This is the middle part of our banana, this one. Now we extend this banana body like this. Now we made a cut, yes, like this, and same for this side. how to Control R. Yeah, sounds like this. So this is our banana. This and this I guess can be deleted because it's delete vertices. Delete vertices. If we make like this and press F, yes, it will make a face. Okay, now we need to move a little bit all these objects. Press G and move it there, so we have more space to work with this object. So we put our object in front of the banana like this. After this, we can make it a little bit bigger, right? Right. And after this we come back and we need to make it the shape of the banana. For this I wanna start with these faces, and I'll just start to make it like a shape of the banana. Like this. G, like this. G. I guess it's actually enough. You can delete these vertices, add face here, and this is one part of our banana. That's why it's very important to work with the references. It helps you a lot. Next step is to shape this part of the banana. A banana. It's a banana. Banana. Okay. Like this. Like this. Like this. These two parts we don't need. Delete vertices. I mean, it's too much. Why? Delete vertices. Okay. F. So now we need to now we need a little bit to change the shape of our banana. Does it already look like a banana? I guess so. Now what we need to do, we need to take this face and rotate it like this. Why? Because after this we will scale it like this, and this will be the end of this banana. And as we can see, it goes like this here. So what I wanna do is to add some circles here, just a little bit, like this. And after this we will try to scale this one, and this one we are going to rotate and going to rotate. But what if we rotate it together with this, like this? I mean, now it looks a little bit ugly, but this is only for now. If you scale it down like this, and after this we just rotate this one a little bit more, and if we just oops, I mean, we need to move this side a little bit. Right? It's hard. It's actually hard. I don't know how to rotate these figures in a such way. Okay, we expand this. If we expand this one is too big. What if we go to the sculpting, right? And we will just try to I mean, let's make like this. We will finish with the shape. So this one we make a little bit bigger. This one as well. I guess we even make like this. This one can be a little bit smaller. This one we can move here. We can rotate and move here, as well as this one, like this. Here a little bit strange situation, because we need to rotate all of these figures, which we have done. But if we just rotate it normally, I mean, it can work. If we just compare it to the banana, I mean, what we can also do is to just shrink this one. No, not like this. Why it's not making new face? What was this? Oh, okay. It's supposed to make a new face, no? Control R. Yes, very funny. I want to make a new face here. Now it's working. But not like I wanted. But it's alright. And it goes up. So we need to move this one as well. Like this. Oh fuck. G, X, Z. And now we need to move this one as well. Like this. Because this is how it looks actually. Right? And we need to take this, rotate a little bit, and like this, and after this we need to take this face and also rotate it like this. Now we go to sculpting, and at first I want to reduce this scary thing in this area. So ground sharp, draw, smooth, flatten. Let's try flatten. I mean cylinder. That's not flattening. Let's try. And oh fuck. Wait. Ranks a little bit reduced. Scrape. Maybe this is what we need. Just a little bit of scraping. Fill. I think we need more circles, more geometry in this area, in this area, in this area. So it will be just easier to make a preferred shape of this banana. Okay, let's go back to the sculpting. And I guess now the process will start more accurately. Scrape. Let's scrape. Okay, we're scraping out some of the residues of the banana. Okay, maybe let's increase a little bit of strength. Like this. So what we have, we need to make this part goes like it's narrow. In our case it's not so narrow, but this part it also goes like this. It's not so wide like in our case, so we just make it a little bit more natural. More natural. Like this. Like this. Like this. Make it more bananish form. Like this. Okay. So let's see what we've got. I mean, this side goes more up in my opinion, so we can just make like this. And make like this. And make it more like this. Because this is how the banana is supposed to look. Now we add some shape here. We actually can't because it's not enough vertices. sculpting. Smooth. That's what we need. Just some good smoothering. Here we go. Now, still need more here, this area. Need to inflate a little bit this part. Looks like shit. Okay. Just smooth it out. It's too much. I guess it's more or less looks like a banana, right? What the fuck? Oh. Okay. So now we take some smothering brush. I guess this looks like a banana, right? So now we go back to layout. No, we don't need this time something. A little bit like this, and now we need to make some sort of mountains on this side, like it was scratched from the tree, like normal banana has. But I don't know what kind of brush I need for this. Clay. Alright, I think I need to come back to layout. Into like this, and now can build some mountains on top. No, something like this. Oh. Oh wait. This is not what I wanted. I want the opposite. Alright. Yeah, something like this. And even smaller radius. Let's build up something like this. A small mountain here. And after this, I'll just start to cut it inside. Now we take flatten, smoothing, and just smooth little bit all these cuts. Very nice. Yeah, just something like this. And same on the other side. I guess this area can be a little bit bigger. This curve here, we don't have it. I mean, is it really necessary to have this curve? I don't know. Let's edit. something like this. Uh, no. Sculpting. I don't know. I think it's fine. It's not perfect, but for the first time I think it's more than enough. And now we can take this banana, move it to our table, reduce it in size, move it here on the plate. Yeah, and what we can do, we can rotate it like this and move it. Nah. And this is our banana in a plate. I think it looks more or less like a banana. Maybe we can make it even bigger, like this. And just no need to delete. Like this. I think it's more or less. Now we can go to the texturing, right? And if we choose our cylinder, maybe better in the shading. Cylinder, color, oh my god, everything is white, is yellow. Where is my light? Let's move it somewhere in this area. Geometry. I wanna make our world background strength 0. This is our light. It's supposed to be more powerful. Maybe 5000. So the cylinder is supposed to be white, very saturated white. The plate is supposed to be, let's say, brown. I don't know, brown, how to make brown here. Like this. No. Let's make it like a little bit silverish. So let's make table brown. And this is what we have. And if we change to cycles, something like this. Or just like this. Let's save this. Benine. Okay, let's make a short break, or maybe not so short. Alright. So according to our schedule, now it's 4. Four. SpaceX, fucking SpaceX. Fuck you, SpaceX. Spain gave to Ukraine 4 systems of counter missiles. 4 counter missile systems. Hope. Thank you, Spain. Financial Times consider that the Kherson can be captured by Ukrainian military forces next week. Interesting. The repair work of the Crimean Bridge will be finished in July 2023. Yeah, nice. This is interesting. So this is the amount of the rockets which Russia has compared to the amount of the rockets which it has already used to bomb our territory. So as we can see, it has Iskander rockets, Kalibr rockets, and Ha-101, Ha-555, and from the 1844 rockets, it's already used 609 rockets. I mean, it's not so much. Means they still have a lot, which is not good. I wanted these scales to be filled entirely. Yeah, so as we can see, they still have a lot of rockets to use against our territory, and this is sad. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice picture. I will save it. Ukraine destroys 85-90% of the Iranian kamikaze drones. This Shahed 136. That's a good result. Four rockets in the Kharkiv. Some, how do we call this? Searches. Alright, so Russian militaries make some searches to find more people to use it against Ukraine, to use them.
То, в каком состоянии находится президент Путин, очень важно для стран Запада. Вы знаете его, пожалуй, лучше всех. Как вы думаете, велика ли вероятность, что он использует ядерное оружие?
Do you think President Putin would use a nuclear weapon?
Самое главное, своего собеседника и даже противника не загоняйте в угол. Поэтому не надо переходить те линии, как россияне говорят, красные линии. Нельзя их переходить. Что касается ядерного оружия, но любое оружие для чего-то же создается. Если это есть оружие, ясно, что оно создается для применения. Россия четко обозначила свою позицию. Не дай бог будет нападение на территорию Российской Федерации, в этом случае Россия может при необходимости использовать все виды оружия. Что касается подтекста вашего вопроса, никогда, в том числе и президент Путин, руководство России, не ставило перед собой цель применить ядерное оружие в Украине. Такой необходимости нет. Несколько дней назад, когда Россия нанесла высокоточным оружием удары по Украине в ответ на Крымский мост, вы заметили, что это сила и очень приличная. Но это еще не все. Россия обладает, это я точно знаю, самым современнейшими видами оружия. И не надо ядерное оружие. Россия справится без ядерного оружия. Но встает вопрос, кому это выгодно? Зачем это нужно? Погибнут уже не тысячи людей, а сотни тысяч людей со стороны Украины в том числе. Поэтому о применении ядерного оружия, я уже смотрю, некоторые лидеры ядерных государств начали об этом говорить. По-моему, в Великобритании не единожды, Макрон начал эту тему цеплять. Ни в коем случае даже разговаривать на эту тему нельзя. Это конец планеты. Если только будет применено ядерное оружие хоть одним государством, потому что это вызовет цепную реакцию. В России это прекрасно понимают, и никто, еще раз подчеркиваю, я это точно знаю, по президенту Путину, никто не ставит так вопросы и не ставит своей целью применить ядерное оружие. Абсолютно точно вам говорю. Нужно искать пути мирного решения этого конфликта. Это выгодно для всех, в том числе для Соединенных Штатов Америки.
President Putin's
Ставит так вопросы и не ставит своей целью применить ядерное оружие. Абсолютно точно вам говорю. Нужно искать пути мирного решения этого конфликта. Это выгодно для всех, в том числе для Соединенных Штатов Америки. И вы знаете, главный инициатор, который делает ставку на применение ядерного оружия, не догадываетесь, кто? Чтобы это был для вас риторический вопросом, я вам скажу, Польша. Она провоцирует вас, Соединенные Штаты Америки, на какие-то телодвижения в плане ядерного оружия. Не поддавайтесь на эту уловку. Вы крупная технологичная страна, Соединенные Штаты Америки. Не надо плясать под дудку обезумевших политиков. Есть ядерное оружие, пусть оно находится на складах там, где оно есть, потому что если только двинется ядерное оружие, допустим, в Польшу, цепная реакция. С другой стороны последуют ответные шаги. Поэтому не надо на это идти. Надо успокоиться и сесть за стол переговоров.
Успокоиться и сесть за стол переговоров. Ну да. Охуенная идея. А о чем переговаривать? Если не секрет, Андон усатый. This is some of the Russians collaborant, right? Is it collaborant? collaborants with the sign, which this is Stalin. The sign means Stalin. Russian military forces has around 300 Iranian drones left. I mean, it's not a problem for our militaries, I guess. Putin says that it's already mobilized 222,000 people in Russia. And the people who were taken to the army without their will.
На войсках-формирователях 222 тысячи человек мобилизованы из 300 тысяч. Думаю, что в течение...
Look at him, he is dying.
Все
He's
мобилизационные
dying.
будут завершены.
He's almost dead. He already looked like a zombie.
Владимир Владимирович, вы ни о чем не жалеете?
Нет. Я хочу, чтобы было понятно. То, что происходит сегодня, мало приятно, мягко говоря. Но это все то же самое мы получили бы чуть позже, только в худших для нас условиях. Вот и все.
Alright. Where else? Путін, бла-бла-бла-бла-бла-бла. Треба передадуть Україні перші кілька ЗРК на САС вже цьому місяці. У жовтні. Вони допоможуть посилити нашу протиповітряну оборону. So, United States will give to Ukraine fewer counter-missile platforms, NASAMS, this month, in October. That's good. And also we will receive some of the Iris-T launchers from the Germany. It's also nice.
Вон пидор в наших берцах. Пизда ему. Со стальным мешок.
This road is mined.
На мину наехали, пидоры.
These dead guys blew up on this mines, so you can see the result. Where else? Where else? Where else? So all this arsenal, all these rockets and weapons were left by Russian troops who left their position during counteroffensive of our Ukrainian militaries in Kherson region. These rockets for Uragan or for Grad or for Smerch. Some rocket launchers, some, how you call this, ammo. Our guys, some piece of papers which has nothing but lies. There is no true word in this article. This is church. I guess it was bombed. Yeah, this is Russian world which they want to bring to us. Mykolaiv, south part of Ukraine, bombed by Russian missiles. Ukrainian forces strike one of the, how you call this, ammunition, one of the Russians' ammunition depot near Mariupol. And now there is a firework there. Nice. Training of Russian soldiers, very effective. Maybe this guy will shoot with his gun, after this give this ammo to other guy, he will shoot a few times and like this, and same way they will go to the front line only with one ammo. Magazine with cartridges. What? I don't think that this one is called magazine, right? Or it's magazine. Can anybody tell? Nobody. Very nice. Magazine. Alright, all of the rest information is the same. What I want to check is this. So what we have, any updates? Not so much. The front line seems to be the same for a few days already, maybe even a few weeks. So near Mariupol was some nice rocket barraging by our military forces. I guess here. Бойківський район. Бойківка. Де у нас Бойківка? Бойове. Бердянське, Осипенко. Не бачу. Anyway, it's good that we are bombing Russian depots. Luhansk region. Also the same. Alright, I guess I will finish for today. For the first day, I think it's quite a good stream. I made some useful work, and I think the mission of the stream is getting alive. And that's good. So, thank you everyone who joined my stream. Actually today it was nobody, but I don't care, because the main goal of this streams is not to accumulate some audience, but to make myself myself in a working condition, to push myself to do some useful work, let's say like this. My English is shit. Thank you very much everybody who watched. See you next time. Definitely I will continue this. I feel like I have more power when I'm making this stream. So yes, it's a good practice for me. Definitely. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.